a bad thing. Not they fine. Oh my God. Mama Ego. Mama Ego. See all your videos since we did do I don't want to talk to you. I just want make peace, but Mama Ego. No. The way I talk and the phone since before say you be bad person, na truth. Yes, I know me I not gonna change my mouth. Yeah, which one you come they come out they talk, say you they cry, all those things we they do. Na lie. Na lie. You do from Victor. You do am. You do am well. If you not do am, why you not curse? Why you not go swear you do put? You do am. You do am. You do am. You do from Victor. From Victor do you. From Victor now, that one now, you know concern. That one not even they care. Hey, you saloba man. This thing, na papa I go now. Go hi. Una no understand what they happen so. What me no so no na. Oh, my heart they bleed. My heart they pay me. God, this mama I go. No. Mama I go not the same abroad where you cannot be a con. Which one can be say you can't be you be a go, you get a go. Which Oibo carry money give you? Come and explain to us the Oibo man. Thank God people know you for Sadeja, people know you for Roma. Have Sadeja take a Roma no tana about Doladia. May they can't tell us how many Oibo give you money. Yes, where you can't be money. Yes. You they get me. You know what invest me for this matter. Whether you sleep with Fran Victor, you not consign me. But for you to punish your husband, you, Mama Ego, now you make your husband go social media, go they call everybody. You were not picking his call. You know they pick a call. Man will be say children they with you. The property they your hand. Everything now gather, do everything together. You not call they pick a call again. What does that make you do? Your brother, you know, your brother don't they pick it call, don't they call him? Okay. And nobody they call him. Where you can't say make the man waka go. Not may go waka enter inside sea. So all of now wanna they blame, wanna not blame this man again, no. Now Mama go not come they pick this man call. This man they sick inside body. You don't know where he want do again. Nowhere to go. All doors were closed behind him. All doors were closed behind this man. Behind the daddy. So if now where una go? Where you where they look me and so where you go if na you? Where you want go? Mama Ego will come out, you come they lie, she come they cry, she come they talk many things where no. Mama Ego come out, come answer me. You can't, you know why the vessel, you can't even measure my name. I tell one you not measure my name again. You say when I insult you, you said anybody not can join you. Now, Guna, I will kill you for that thing where you talk. What thing I do you? Where you say, where I can't insult you. I do you anything. Not be you do me something. What thing you do me, if I tell them, the people go shock. Not be you do something. Not be you do me something where be say I can't insult you. Where you talk say I insult you. Not be you do me something. Now they know people follow and argue something. Oh. They do ogun Gbola. Or me say le go argue me. Very useless woman. Nobody go feel follow and argue something no Gbola ma o. Before you go say I don't now you know I don't know am. You don't know what you do me. You don't know what you do me. What you do? Wait, be say I can't say as in I can't insult you. I not even insult her. I know what happen. The time of saga where Abia you were all come out. Mona open na ear. Me I tell na what happen. Me I tell na where my go say I insult her. Wara babana. I'm not talking since because I can't say. It don't make sense. Open your ear. Una know why Mama go say I don't want to call me again because he insult me. Open your ear, me I tell you what happen. He went me down. I be idiot. When now you insult Mama Ego, I dey craze like that. I dey mad. When saga come out, the man wey he put ring for my hand, the brother, he can't say make I not talk put for this saga. He say make I enter house. I can't say no now. Why everybody go dey insult Mama? You go say make I not talk put. Why? I say no. Ina yinyo. I enter inside the saga. Mama Ego, do damn yo. I enter inside the saga. Me not even know the saga where they enter. I don't know where from they come. I you know was you I don't know what they happen. I don't know say that they be friends before all of them. I don't know what they happen. That's why I can't say a newly wedded woman, newly married to the family. Egbena wa abobo me. It make any na abio you why me no sunu na was you yopun. Now may God save me. After I come, they put life for everybody here. They talk to all of them. So they crazy. They you're not coming for hookup. I was doing all those things. Mama go they call me. Maybe Edos. Only tell about me. Anyway, mommy. Only tell about no. I worry. I go deal with them. I go do that one. When tomorrow again go see call me. Maybe Edos. I'm even tell me again. Anyway, really? Oh no! Now for what? If I'll say attack that person. Dominion talk show, yes, Abi, okay. Now when I come insult that one come carry Ashley come out. Now no say for this social media, all of una no marry Edos for that one, I not agree. You don't touch my children, I not go agree. When I come say Ashley for window, Dominion de owa karanya vi me. Obi me ne ya lesi me ai na mokpa ve me nya ye 20 ya agba oginya. You know where Ashley na hina abi my eye they pay me. I got an Ashley oh. Hey, now there I can't say They break. Even before then, Mama Bitu word, if they insult me, I insult them, then they insult Mama Bitu word won't call me. Go say Mary Edos. Go say they curse for that side though. I say person where they fight for. People where I do saga with, that they insult me. They call me, say me, I go see them, say that they insult me. I say, Mama, what did they talk about? We go say, yage. I can't say this woman a winch. You know, I mean, no, I don't say I just wedded into the family. I don't know what they happen. I can't say this one not clear. Oh. This one not good. Oh. I can't say, what good what am I again? What's your bomb? Me? You may take me na niye. I can't say, when the minion come insult my pikin, I can't call her. I can't say, yay, a dominion what's your bon Ashley. Oh, we jail, mammy, oh, we got me that don't know what's your bon egg bay. Now with this one as now we're winning your saga on the layer here. We're making me out your bon Ashley for how many hours. Now there I can say, yay. Ya toge niema. I can say, yay, the day, la wa. Oh, where to agbi. Ibe egi answer yan ije dede la wa ije la wa wetu agbe o say yatma we no saga yan unho la wa. I swear that's what I say. Aje ofo o wa for finish. If I lie make this night make I sleep me I no wake up. Now she say I insult her. Now she say if as in me I come they say I for listen to the brother way say make I not put mouth for the saga for listen. Again, me na do agbi ma cause me mi ekenirie. When that one come happen like that now that when I come and say the lawa your own too much. You don't do. I know if you do this saga again. They don't cause Ashley. I know do again. I know they carry my children they play. You know, because I waited, say she go call me to say, Mary, you born Ashley. Is you? I don't know, one of my team. It's your way in my hand. You born Ashley. You know, we Jamie on I won't down one necking. You know, but I deal with Okuna. Yes, I consider that me be Mary Edos, but Edos not the fade. Now, they are going into life videos, the next, I can't apologize to all of them. When that apology, where I apologize to Dominion, all of them, I care. Mama Ego was now angry with me. On your sister, never not come again. Naimo. Now I not do am anything. Now that saga, nothing where I do. If you waste enough your boy now apologize because if they play smart with me, you come meet me for media. Now me be media those tele. Eh? Because I do something with your brother. You can't say no. Now they can't as a media those. Me. Now there I show and Pepe. He shock. You can't say media those. Why you apologize to Dominion? Why you apologize to them? I can't say no. I don't like my daughter involved for saga. Me they can't they carry my daughter to put for window my children. I suffer with them too much. Now so I tell her, ona ye hoy. Ona ewe ni ya marriage wa. Ona when ya marriage wa we come. You say me I go spoil marriage. Say you don't want again. Now yapu. You not finish for there. When this girl can't come out, say Abia you will give her money, make it take come mama go adulterous one. Now there mama go on the rock that they happy say he get adulterous so. Now the man we putting for my hand, the brother I can't go meet mama go say a saga no roto na no the woman can't they happy they tell my man say nyala dan he adulterous now then my man tell am say yeah but me de dosi le we last le we saga na debawe that one tell am finish come still tell me say I tell my sister say you not go join the saga you not go do the saga I just me no know wetin dey happen now then okay make una come tell me where me go wrong I think me yari me you pay wa ge me ton me yari me you pay me ye go ge hun dan no gba bere no ge I said this I ever una see wetin dey happen so una see wetin he say I do I know una hey God Almighty Jesus Christ me don't know wetin dey happen oh that day come reach now I can't go do live video I can't say all these things abia you every time abia you make you look for better person wey go spiritualist wey go work for you may you see better husband may you comot for inside all these nyama things wey dey ground so now that was my live video mama ego was thinking that I want to come and saga I want to come and insult abia you say ooh you see now my mama not be adulterous you see abia you mama ego was disappointed me na turn the table me na do dey abia you we and then on our web to abia you may you look for person wey go work for you when again me I think you more fine spiritualist me again man ke even here I am very funny abia wey me the advice oh when ya having ya so I'm just that is why I'm still alive though people like me those yeah so love madam ya gwalo wan ha we me no make na me odo having na rokpa you know and I mean mama bitter word was very bitter. That is my journey. That is my life journey with the brother. Iye go na ido ya ze ona ogi twist to want you otia ma gyan ke no yigaje. Yes. Iye go na where my what man do as in we were so close before like twins. Iye go na overnight. It do overnight. Not be said that it's not like 3 days. Iye go na pure witch. It do overnight. Before you know, the brother don't even they see me again. When I'm me, oh, will be you? I want to I can't lean. Now I know we were never like this before. It's me. You. Oh yeah. Me yard and sing. You go get tell me. Go to the community. Go yard ewa. Yard name you. Yard ewa. Una never say ask mama mama Vitru word why you go say make I go spoil my marriage. Where marriage me go. wena no je na go hore marriage ime no we na be me yari ya ewa. Na question I dey ask you. I do you anything just because of saga? I not saga for you. I not join you. I say the Ashley na no go na gboyegbo. Ashley obi me na mu ye nwido na arobio. Umasin yo sege na Ashley o money twen. Una asin yo sege nu we ne lo won lo. Una asin yo sege nu no go na gbo. Ije bi me yaku. And emi gas no that Ashley ya se gbe omomo. A family ni ya nya so be are na ya ne kinaji yo bokan bi me damo be no wa wo se na wa agbebodo be ke no wa je wa agbelega damo ko sa agbon be mi yen be ni ya so la dian bi me na yin ya ku you dey yes o ho be family ge agala o asowo ge ni ya so ogbera ne the time I never know you no una no lawyer no nwa kpakoroni na that I declare when I come enter inside life I come say na so na be okay imagine so me wone and I go nowhere. I'm in the family now. Your brother and I will send me divorce letter when I will say okay bye bye. Not be you or your brother or anybody because na charm na use very useless thing. Look at it, useless. That one on my own, no. Shebi una they say why you insult. I don't know. When I come call am, she not they pick my call again. What did they happen? What did I do? Ye go my meta. He said to me that he said that he said that me ma gbonta. May you come and sit down in the old world and talk. Say see wetin me the Edos do you. Agbonu na igbonu. That one, my own, that one na nothing. You see papa ego, eki nu wado da me, o wado da regona. I saw what danya boy. Mata. Uwa hin o agrikpa edioma uwa hin obo wa mi ya fe no ri ya hin agbon. Wa ya ibie ku gbe. How dare you? How una take dey? No. How una take dey? How? Agbe kan wa, I try, I dare. You dey mad? You dey crazy? See, whether you sleep with Fambito or my the camera those. Go one una no more wa, or one. You see this map property, You see this map, daddy property, You go come make account. Your family cannot seize the property of your husband. It's not allowed. Okay? No gwa. Your husband not say make I come insult you. La. You not send me. People know say I the talk truth. You not send me. The thing they pay me and that is not verse. Not your verse say I dey insult your wife because my head don't scatter. It be like say I dey sick now. I don't know what they do me again. You dey hear me? The thing they pay me. You don't know what happen. You don't know what happened to me. Now I been one there. I don't know. When get me ga wow we. Emi don't dem no my expect ga or ga knock you as in na happen to this papa ego. Papa ego not see anybody wey want call again. I make you go call Atiti. Nobody is going to pick your call in their family. Not the father side or the other women side. I don't know. This their mother side. When something don't stop, everybody is going to close the door. If you like, you knock. You are dying in the domot. They will not open door. They are flying together. The only person will not they fly now my husband. You know they fly. You what to tell you na Joko for that side. Joko. Yes now. Papa ego na love now. No come wonder say they tere go mi ye go agugwa. They to mi ye go agugwa. O wa gere wa botiti. Wa hanya wa. as this thing don't talk fish, lawyer not call. Lawyer not the call Papa Ego say, hello, my in-law, what is going on? For where? Lie. And you that is watching me, what do you want the man to do? Talk. You are watching, you are looking at me, Anyanya. Because it's not you now. What you go can do now? Nobody call you. You go call them, they not go pick. Now the man don't, Mr. Tony, all his life service, all his life, all his entire life, now that family dey, and nobody pick he call again. Nobody is calling, he call it, nobody pick. You now where they watch me, so what you can do your life? Where you they go? How you want to do? Even if that man, but I not concern, it not concern them. I know them very, very well. If you say no, I know them. Hey, Jimmy. I know them. Now, me. Oh, God. They don't even expect, say, me. I go fit do what me. Me, I just shut up. Una they join Mama Ego. Unless you want to make the man die. The man die. Yes. Yahweh, bege, ayaboye nedu. This man, all his life service, his life, when I say life. Igo ya, iye go, omo ya yobo. Iye go na ya dele good. Make una ask Mama Ego na queen di shala pikori na ite by good. Igo na koko ami ebobo. Oya dele good. Why not now the sea road? Now you can chop your husband money. It's good. Yes, now you have right. But you cannot just push him out like that and say, go, get out. Are you mad? Are you stupid in your head? You got your pokoro head like this. Are you mad or what? My mommy, nobody send me the one way I do. Papa, I go not send me I can't insult the wife. That is not verse. Now this is they worry me for. You don't know, say me I know they like batting. You are not even know why you can't tell me say see what they happen. You for not tell me. Me I know they feel they take some people for a year. I know they say I know sabi o. Since when you talk to me, I not be better person again for this house. Now later one I take cook for them Ashley. I don't care power to even cook. Which kind of life be this? Which kind of life be this? Mama Ego, you get mad. Can't they sit down for live video? They say, you not go fit again. Make the man they go. You go. Where the property? Why you not talk property? Join them. Why? Talk now. Oh, I said make it talk like say they here with oh God. My head. Just my head full. I not even sleep. Say me here. I know waiting that they pass through. Now make me they talk this thing. I know. None of now when they watch me, I don't know anything. I know where I marry. I know them. I know they go reach. Hey oh. Jesus, not be like talk. I know them. They go, they beat you. They go, they cry. Now let me beat them. They cry. Me Edos. I be me. Iga le manal. Ilo bonoke fwa. Aya me obonoke. Iwa dan yodari. Yes. Yeah. But Papa Ego. Niye ya winye. Inya gay. You deal with it when I say deal with him. If those say Mama Ego not be wish, Papa Ego for marry for Gbola land. Now wish they sit down on top of him. Papa Kara. Iye go in more go ya. Iye deal with it. O me ya fe o give me for one or we no dokba. If I heard you. If I give you a packet, you say they give people a packet. You see us, you way they come live video, they tell everybody say you be fighter, you be fighter, you go beat this one, you go beat this one. You know you beat your husband. Why you can't come and say your husband they beat you? Shut up there! Now you they beat your husband. Eh, they not be a packet. See where you give daddy for daddy jog. Daddy jog see the penna for house now. The jog, you give our packet for jog. Jog the pen and now as we they talk. Everybody, all of now they look me here now. Eh? Oga igbere go you wujua ori. Una self, una you get the way una take this like this is the world people. Pers woman they talk every time say in go in the beat man, in the beat man, in the beat man. The same woman come and they cry say the man they beat him. Man we even do operation. I fear una. I fear una. You go out wa luazanya waya fefefe. Me o. Wa totanya waya. The live video, all of una you sit down on top of all of una head. Eh? Na so na be viewers. Woman where the day where they say in the fight. You can't come and say your husband they beat him. All of una can say woman beat her. Ne. No rahia e kwe asie hwa. E ke ona we operation all see tight. Ege ya we mi okpa say ohia gbiye go. Eh? Una. See una. Woman where they talk say no man go fit beat him. You can't tell una say your husband beat him. They beat him, una can't believe him. Una can't believe. It will come out tomorrow, una can't they cry. The man now, eh? Me I tell una one thing. As we they talk, Papa I go in one more time, you know get us again. All of una waya boawa. Now they look like this. The world people. Now I fear una. One more time. Papa I go there for street. Yes, as we they talk, so as I heard the talk, so not be lie. If I lie, me I not better this night. You know why? The house where Papa I go there, they want sell them. They don't, yes. So they say make everybody. Alele. Iye go matoni. The 4 flats where you get for Benin, na Igbo man build them. The house where you get for Lagos, na Igbo man, na Papa go. The lands where you get, na Papa go money. Eh? You get mad, take come sit down for live video, say you don't want again. Make it good. No, ya ziga, who when I will fend no the poison, I say, we are now. Now go kill you, am I go? I'm sorry. No. Because now that's the wife. Hey, Jimmy. Oh, who's going to come with this one now? I'm not supposed to say go kill you now. Hey, God. This guy, okay. My head. I know, oh, God. Yego, Wazara. You are wicked. You are mean. You are devilish. Why you can't make me unstable now? Now that one now you can be my head. Come like say my head not correct again. Come like say my head turn upside down because this man is not going to see any family of Mama Ego that will answer him. Nobody will answer him. Nobody. I know them. Nobody is going to answer him. If you like, make it knock, make the hand break. Nobody go say, who is there? Yes. Nobody. That is why the thing they worry me for my head. Omarok Byron no here way patoni guan. Nobody. Who you want? Patoni no get. They not born and where make you go Lagos say where is my house or may go Bini. Afiang bigidi. No, they understand. I think say I dey joke, abi. Now they think say I dey joke. If be like say God carry me go there, say me I go see things wey big pass me. That for me no know. My sister, my head, I don't dey craze so. Be like say my head something dey do me now. I don't know wetin dey do me again. Be like say my head just turn. Overnight, over hours, some hours. I was not like this before. Now I was turn. Ah, God. I was good though. Huh? Since when daddy just come talk to me, I come craze. Are you crazy? Just like that. How's you now? Who is there? Come and bring water for mama, please. I'm afraid. Oh, God Almighty. This one not be say come join Papa Ego with the fine people. Abemona come join our side. On our journey. This one, how is this man going to survive now? How is daddy going to survive? That is our problem now. This is not for you to come and sympathize. Oh. Sympathize, you are sympathizing for never here. This is not sympathize. Oh. This is money. We need money. The landlord of the house is going to close house. Where is money to rent? And Italy now, they want to give house. Oh, where is this down? Go and bring my own for me. Don't do that, okay? Go and give that one to Ashley. Italy, they said to get house now, wahala. No, unless you owe better money. We never talk about that one. The sympathize. We not need sympathize. Oh. Money, you go. See, you guys. If I give you a packet, oh, where they wanted this old woman? See, you have to bring money come out. Oh, daddy have to rent better house. Yes. Look at you. You see your life. You with all the money. With all the money. Nothing to write home about. Nothing. Erashly, no. See what I acquired. Big house in Belgium with my name. Yes. And as if any day where I go sell this house, I must carry Papa Ashley share. I'll go give her. Even though say I did with another man. So that if when I go buy, make I go heaven. Because now you do like this. Carry the money come like this. Say, me yata. Now Papa Ashley call San. You can't go marry for us. You marry, white wedding, court marriage, everything. Me can't afford. Me not do. I not do bad though. Put there, baby. Thank you. I not do anything. Oh, not be me. Na you. Daddy not go marry for Gbola. For where? You not do. You not get any secret thing. You answer. You do. I don't say na which you do. You be very, very strong person. When you came and now give because of say I not do saga for you, useless woman. No we made dossier ma alene. I did even you woman. Kaka. In fact, me de at the image in you say no ma. Nyok babe mukba wa no me. Useless thing. See, you go provide everything. Daddy dare not stay for outside for Italy. Agboku you akon. E de down. Oh, be nyema commit nyema wa doctrine. What a man ogun ogbo. You not also you want carry juju come for me that day. You not also you want carry juju come for me. Say I say you be witch. You don't come be Catholic that day. Inya wa no ma me no gba yan agbe nya wa ma me no wa convert but no me kwa no ya gwe. Are you stupid or what? I dey ask you question. You know, not me to say I see do this woman something that time. How have you have made those ya ime munye pepepe. Mommy je. Ana do me we ha ya zola kan. Uzwo. Na yi? What na do? Okay, the way you do papa ego, the way you do daddy, the way you claim, you think you can play with me like that. Me. No, no, man, no, Edeji. I be don't leave you. Now, daddy can't tell me, say, see what he did. Daddy not say me, I can't insult you. Daddy need help. Why ya boa o oba no your boy amugo ne o mugo gyobo kan 10,000. 15,000 muyoto. Oh, where I don't they go? I go keep this money. Iye gonna wa why you gonna you go a god no de logun ogbo me god yaladian. Ki a god. Are you stupid? That can daddy be looking for money to rent house where be say you get gold. You can sell gold anytime and send money to him. Who salwa big baba. Are you going to bring God out or not? Hey, Jimmy. Are you going to bring it them out or not to sell so that you can provide money right now? Daddy need money now. That is daddy money that you use to buy all those gold, everything. Am I lying? Come and swear. Etela nuwega, wetola briba, vikpone dedu seleni. Oh, ya, are you stupid or what? Abi queen di shala picorina, nuga winunukpo. Oh, ya delegodia. You gotta give you upper cut. You gotta give you upper cut for this time. You will go settle gold fast or 3 gold. Useless woman. Don't do gold for body. My ego. Daddy don't want to lose house. Daddy don't lose house now. When I go, it has to get raw. And no money to even rent. You did that. They put gold for them. They say, where did you see money to buy the gold? You are going to vomit it. You will vomit it today. You are going to vomit it. Have a gold in guy. What guy? What beg when I might bow and come out tomorrow, come the same a lie. Beladian, Veladele Soviet, who get a cogo, no man manako. Oh, come, there is nobody that will answer. A lawyer no ahuaro. You not call this man. You don't open paper of 4 flats. Who dash you? Ogun when can you go carry na before flat? Answer me if I'm asking you question. Lawyer, do you know where the money come from that you hold the paper like this? Are you stupid? Do you think it's Queen di Shala Picorina? Aya boy. Not be. Now my papa ego money. Now that top 4 flat stand. Can you imagine the man was in the prison still making money? Oh God. Daddy, why you not see better woman? It will say that better woman that you marry, You for good though. You for not get you forget money now. Woto. Can't go the marry witch. Simple nonsense witch. Which way mumu finish? Which the mumu die? I don't like them. Even I know not be all of them at the talk. Now my go at the talk. Why we do more women? The rest of them not be at the talk. Now yes so Now my go at just the verse for one no verse. I was then why agree wala ho. Why agree? When go see where he. Before you go sing which we don't know me Edos. You remember one the time where I thought say I been witch, but that's not comedy. You go viral. all the witches they look me about for inside this my bed for here. Cause so one now was so they know me. So oh why iye go kolugu wana no hu dana eyika. So mama ego, you have to find solution. Una they look this thing for social media. Not say na papa ego na useless ma. Eyo. Ere go ma go very life. Iye go mwe phone. Otin ye go mwe phone. Nobody pick phone. Ere go member here wagmo. Ona izozwa the social media. Do wa man na the coco na be this one so. This is just the whole hard truth, nothing but the truth. So for those of you that is blaming Papa Ego, what a man! How can you do that to your wife? Why did you come to social media to talk? You know, see person where you want talk. Family not they talk. Amamie family, a lawyer Dave, a Bowayi kankankan, a Lagos is there, the land, Mama Ego don't claim everything. So una wanna the what social media in-laws. How una see the matter? Una not get sympathy. Not be Oyibo now. Oyibo now they do like that. Oyibo now they carry everything. Yes, na know the thing now. Adwa neru no wu. Na vie me ya. But Papa Ego is a black man. Mona check the matter now. Mona balance. How una say? Wapiti ne. Oh wu. Ogi agenye. Make una tell Mama Ego, make he send money with like how much? Like 3,000 euro. I want to carry her as fast. Ama mi wa no give me okbi ana bobo. Ama mi wa no izenye. Daddy wa gwan ye o. Daddy con, you know, nobody man. Everybody just have go. The man is going down. If daddy buy now, you no go pay una. Una wanna they watch me so. You no go pay una. Na no go say, oh, you no go pay. Muna talk truth. So as it is their life, make una help me tell my victory word. Make it sell gold, some of them. Or boom, no here or here vakeka. Or me, you go la na haya mowa. Now you they beat daddy, now you they cry. Ye go walk bedionwa wobevie. Are you not heartless? Are you not heartless? All the gold, everything. Now daddy get all of them. Now he buy all now money. Now, daddy not get sigma. Nothing. All of una just they look. Now una they insult the man again. They join the one when it day. Ama ime kegijo. Una see lawyer they call Mama Bitru word for live video yesterday. Stop this thing. Stop the phone. Stop the video. Stop. Who they say and say they speak English. They do all those things. You know they put the shame of that man. You don't say you be lawyer. Go and bring paper cut for me. I be cut paper here. Go and bring for me. Go and sue me. How dare you do an innocent woman like me something? Why did you cross your boundary? Why did you people treat me the way you did? What happened? What did I do? That is the question. You must talk what I did. I don't do anything. Nothing. Fire. Me manage. Now not the way they play. Me they do you they play. Play. Now you play like where the nigga age. Uwe ke no fure megiru were me nyawe amana gbawa anata were ige See, see. Wa fe ko wa. As in yours, when I all they run from me, when I not near me. Now the yes, so because that cry where I cry for now, that time, you see they pay me. I don't know why I was crying. I don't know what happened. They owe me. Here go. It's like man young man you a lawyer. When not one. Eh? Oh God. I support young lawyer. Yeah, because I did not do you anything. How dare you? Innocent woman. Before you start doing nonsense, you did not check me and see that I'm innocent, that I'm very pure, that I mean no harm. I'm just playing. I don't know anything. How dare you do me bad? How dare you even talk behind me? How dare you even say, I deal with a ogun young wearing you were here? Never illa worry. Not be lie. You can't they call Mama Ego for live video. Say make you stop the video. But you did not call the husband. Ebo wanu viom obo no boweni ana gwe. Ebo wani. Oma no jega. Oma no uwe ana. Ebo black no uwe. Umatie where? Please sir. What is going on? What is happening? Please, you don't call him. You look at like saying a nonsense because you are just a common winch lawyer, Mr. Jacob. Yes, that is why you did that, because you are a common winch. It's only a winch that can behave like that. What did the man do to you that you could not call him? A normal human being could have called. It's only a winch that will not, a wizard that will not call. You are a wizard. Yes! You did not call the man involved. You were telling your sister to end the live video. End the live video. The man who call. The man is the source of everything. Yes. Mr. Anthony is the source of everything. Yes, now. We put get Queen the Shalapicorina or to where you go ya we be a gabupo. Queen the Shalapicorina. When 15 euro, 15. Calculate ini wo here mi ewo na. I do jam that die ya na do sop. No na do amigo more woto. We Mario oni. Rahu. Yeah, because you treat me bad. That is why you are collecting woto right now. And anything happen to me or my children, you are finished. You are dead. You are finished. Instead of NATO, una no fair look me before una start to deal with me. You know what do I have na momo? Me man me ga be me ya ton. You know I can't be like person where they put something fire inside your body. My sister not dey sleep oh. Last born. I will call my sister for 1 o'clock in the night. I will cry 2 o'clock. Sister, what did they do you? I know you sleep. My husband. I'm looking for my husband. I know you sleep. It was okay. Come on, my God. You know the people. I don't know because they do me that time. I say, if you know people where they put hand for my body, say no, money passing my very only. Iye go, it's like man young man you. A lawyer, ogun agba wo gwe, ogun igbe wa van, ogun igbe wa son. Meme, when I was here, you may wa ogun. If I ogun me name me Edos, see Ashley, you mark my man, if I just they play they go. Unwa wa ya tai. Uwa ju unwa ya sefa. Nuwa kegbe, wa ma egbalazi. Do you know how they rescued me from your hand? The both of your hand. Menage. Na go vai. I go they breathe like say una say I dey joke. They don't know anything. They don't know what happened to me. That I don't pass. It's okay now. Yeah. Now me can they remember things, but now since I don't talk about I don't talk to them again, you know. I can't even they laugh now. I say, what's going to happen to me that time? That time, I say come out. I can't talk about say me then stop. Yeah. But when daddy called me, everything just changed. My blood just changed for my body. I can't remember what happened to me. And then I can say, Jesus, this man have been in this bondage for 20 years. This lean where daddy leans, all this operation, now then they cause her. Ogwije go okede, nya one, nere go wu, ni have property ya, ye go shame on you. Where's my charger? Wazaga. Ogun okia nwere yo wo hu. Nwa. Emino ije. Ogun okia nwere yo wo hu o. Wetin happen to me? Me, I just see small thing like this. But my own, they say, this marriage when I enter, say, Mama ego don't do one. And lawyer say, I not go enjoy my marriage. Say, now so cry. Now I go cry for this marriage. For spiritualist people hand. Everywhere I go. I say, what? And I cry for spiritualists. They go, they talk to me how they cry. I go, they cry. My daughter, what is wrong with you? I don't know. My body is hot. I don't know what is happening. I want my husband. My husband. My husband. Only water. I don't know what happened to me there, those. You think I'm joking, yeah? See, that if you bokwahara, I for become I don't know now whether in best style or I don't know waiting for the happen to me now. Fast. Everybody was saying, no, my daughter, you are too good. Your heart is too good. Who is doing this to you? Ije, mi kere tamu wana, wa heme. Emeredosi, na do ye funye. But they no gree. They no gree. Si waka, si fire. Iye go, ogun ohia gbo ewo, ogun gbo. E lawyer Jacob. Ohia fian wu. Ina ba ye wo me ya hian la re. Ina ye wo me ya ime ke ni ga rie. Na mi kon strong as in I can't be like person where come out for inside war. I can't sometimes I look myself for mirror and say, no, my body come out like this. Iye go na areva ni dukuru. Da. Wo do tem ne mere do si uwe. Do ta. Una te geme imi. Mami you. Ba me ile lo twen. Imare o twen. We live. They don't want Papa go in their family. You don't know what is going on. It's like this there. Like this. Jacob, as far as you deal with your wife, Papa go as in why you want drive and come out for your sister body. Why una want make as in make me go, Papa go as in you deal with your wife. Jacob, when you have your tomato sivuana. The lawyer, go and bring court paper, idiot. I know Pama. Bring court paper. Say, Edos, one woman is this kind of character. You stupid, are you mad? You wanted to kill me. Spiritually. You think as I wake up, I'm going to let you guys go like that? You are mad. Edos no you get it. Whatever what you have to give me. Because say they play well. So mama I go. People, social media people, What did they happen now? Mama Ego and the family, then want to tell me Papa Ego by. Papa Ego, I know what that man is going through right now. Nobody will tell me. I know. He's on fire. Yes. Fire, fire. Now let's wrong people. Now go feel help Papa Ego right now. Oh, I think we'll loyal there will be no making us save. No making us no be the one where they talk for you, blah blah blah. This one an annoyance. Now spiritual is better ones. Now I go say Papa Ego. Not be all this one who they do so. Yeah, win yeah. I'm an oreg baby. Now no there. See what my go now better wish now should be useless woman. Salwari Baba.
Vas-y, maman.
Maman est là.
Viens, on fait.
J'arrive. You are tall again too much. It's not funny. So tell you bend when you want to kiss me. Can't tall is this one. Where are the rest? Mon bisou. Stan. Déjà, il m'a pas donné bisou. Esther. C'est vrai? Everything was now rough for me. Things was bad. Social media people don't know. I can't say me. I can't say no. No fear happen. Now God knows say na play. I mean no harm. I don't carry bad intention go that family. I tell God, come say my daughter, I will save you. God save me. I bounce back. You go out beautiful. Beautiful. It's okay, oh. Waiting me can't tell the whole world. I don't want them to know you. Say waiting I do to me. Now you don't do to your husband. So for many years. You don't destroy and finish. You use that man, you use daddy head to enrich your life, your family life. Then now you not do him like this. Now God, now I go punish you. You how dare you? You common human being. You are stupid. Common human being like you. You fly. Bon no le me adi agbo won agu we sekine boy oje we are imena aviye o wan agu we de boy maybe me watota na watota kime o waru we gbe me waru o war relax come at them you come on and my you dey let me dey play if ya wa ku here no wala I fit play go anywhere I go see safe. Observe me, e bono le me ata, observe me, che cosa lo buono veje nebo. My mind is clean. Mama Ego, you see your nyash stay open like this so. Your nyash open, that not be attitude no know you. No, na me married to into the family. Na me know the cocoa. It's not joke. Oh. I'm not joking here. Don't think, you guys should not think I'm joking. I know the joke, I know the lie. I see something. Something. Wey be say I shock. I still they remember, but not they affect me again. Many things have been done. I see me. That wait me. What may I understand? I just the pity for daddy. Now let me one. Now I know wetin I dey talk. Now let me one. Nobody go fit believe, understand wetin I dey talk. Social media, una no know. Ere go agbalo ere autonomy. Ni ekwe kpanka baari here na sef. If you don't know. Yes. Iye go. You see your life. Man, wait up on yourself for 20 years. Now you feel tired like this. How dare you? I'm asking. How dare you? You just common human being, no. You just want to finish another person. Person get person. Your own husband. What ballet kemenye? What otanya? Una me here. You drag the man blood. Una dey drink blood for coven. Hey! Hey, okay. Are they beautiful? Beautiful. Kaya no gay. Beautiful mommy. Ade amu ihwa. Wa nwe sagya wa. Wa kai. Kero ikebigbe, making us one. That is done. Property belongs to us now. Egba. Wait. Egba.
Yeah.
You're going to leave your hair like this?
No, we can't.
Ah. Egba. Not be where me I pass come out. Papa I go no go by. Everything is going to be fine for him. He's going to do testimony after everything. Yes. My neck is paying me. Now make me this one like this. I'll go see doctor. I'll do this. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. It's going to be fine. I'll use this place. So here you go. Your husband is not going to die. As you be don't drink your blood well. No die. Okay, we not and we know. Not be truth as they talk, my people. Man can't dey like this now. Gbalaka. Family member. They're not the talk to her. Nobody the talk to her. Ama one is again. I hear, thank you. They are just waiting. They just arrange the properties, the papers to Oriye go wano, keke family. Ere go no uwe ana, no je gan, no je ya. Ana idowe, ere go ite bonawada. Hey! Gege. Ije. Daddy, thank God say you can't meet me, oh. Thank God. Nobody for believe again, no. Nobody. Because you say attitude they craze. You buy and shoe. You buy and you give her money. Not be your best friend. So you they make friend with crazy man. Mama I go. Where crazy when I got zen or suck blood. When I got zen or your maya agua. anywhere where this mama be true word enter, something must happen to person. You not go know. Say na she do am. Na better wish na she be. She not be common wish, better one. Oga one no. Oye ya mwe bori. Ume ya mwe bori. Ume ya mwe bori. Opahara. Iyan no mama no gbo wi yan ogi agbe. You not say it too much. Re azon ki get un again. See as I beat you, beat you like this. I useless you. And it's not finished. Momo woman. You see best way they play like me, they go. I just they, you know, come say, oh no, now I say, I know what I cook here. I know they do anything. Oh. You for your living me, I just they zwar for your family, they go. You wear me rock ba. You make me yeke, nothing. Now when you say you come they, you want to they suck my blood. Me now, I they do, I know many prophetess, I know them. Now they come say, you are going, my daughter. Who are they? Where did you go and enter? I don't know. I don't know. Where did you? How did you reach there? I got name me. I don't know. They said you are going to cry till the end of this marriage, that you will never see happiness in this marriage. Now, who says so? Really, they said that? If I go another place, the same thing. If I go there, useless woman. Blood sucker. Blood sucker. Blood sucker. Now waiting person no know na the weak person. When I come, that they even they tell me not until they can't walk my body, heal me. Make it do a beg, make it do him add me at the they bring me on life. I be not know where I dig. I know the what the only thing we be say I they see. The only thing where I just they remember na my husband. Ye go no gbe o agbon. O gbe o iwe awa aragbon. Ogun ogbu wo pa we ni keke otun ni lawyer nínú rahu ni. Very wicked souls. When you say wicked. People for social media, small children be not there. All of them be adult. Una no come say ere go bogi wada. Akwia ya da. Obi na iga so kan wada. You know they understand. They are aware. Na so they be. Are they ya da. Wasoboro na we anode. Wasoboro no ke we anode. Nya ya ke na tinkugbe. Nya ke na miegbe. And they don't like themselves. They hate themselves so much in real life. They only come together in the night. In the daytime, they fight. They don't like themselves. Mama Vitu will not like it, but the brother don't like her. Nobody they don't like themselves. Now only night, now they see, now they meet, now they happy together. The daytime, in your wagbina, and they like, okay, am I lying? Eh? Oh God, I'm so angry. And I'm still in the marriage. We don't want to on our log problem. Now this one they call problem. You know when you try to buy somebody and the person did not buy, voila. Because I forgot their life again. That was the plan. But God can't do and me consider their life. Problem. I be don't forget oh. I be don't forget, but not be say I know see fire down later for future, but for now I be just say, I beg. Now that the night can't see wake me up. You understand? Say, please, I need your help. Please, see what I'm going through. And as you just I can say, hey, can say this daddy they go. Daddy is going gradually. Papa go. Now no. I think say na. You think say after the laugh, you think say na joke like this, so abi. Amanari bolelere go okpa na. Iye go nwa esagi nya nwa esagi ne. Agbami di aka na mokpala la di na wa ge. All to testify later. Mama Ego, you are a very bad person. That did not get house again one more time. You know as house be for Italy. You get if you know better money, you know that one. No money, you know say things get as it be. Na me ya time na. You don't fit carry gold come out make you sell. The person the owner of the gold dey for wahala. You no fit carry some of the gold 2 or 3 make you sell. You can't say what do I tell me kia any ano makpagbe useless thing. Are we talking about that now? We are talking about how that is going to stand again and be okay. You are talking when daddy talk say me you go swear for Framito. Why you talk say you no swear? Because you do am. Just use your mouth to tell and say, darling, please, I'm sorry, I did it. So now I can't go now because I said the family of Mama Bitword put her for Mama Bitword back. Yes, they not care about the man. That's your one. They know the family of Mama Bitword not be the all the family, the mama side, the Aragua, the mama side of Water, is certain women. Because the family is very large. Not be small thing. Mama side. They know everything. Yes. They know. They don't want to help the man. They want to make the